Hello, this is a second part of the flashlight system. As you can see, I've also updated the flashlight model. This works as this, and you can see the battery percentage in the output window. But of course, if you're playing the game, you cannot see this output window. So let's change this up a bit. So first of all, let's create the GUI. In Starter GUI, add a screen GUI. Let's rename this to something like flashlight UI, like this. And then inside of flashlight UI, add a text label, and let's rename this to battery text. Yeah. Then we're gonna change some properties inside of battery text, which is the position. We're gonna make this 0.85, 0.1, which will make it go on the top right. You can also change the position to whatever you want. Let's set the size to 0.1, 0.05, yeah. Oh no, that's not good. 0.05, like this. Yeah. And scroll down, or search background transparency and set this to 1. Now you will see there's just a small text label in here. Go down until you see text color. That is to white. Click on this thing so it's a bold text. Also set text scaled on. Now border size pixel, set this to 10. And then if you go to transparency and see stroke transparency, set this to 0. You will have like a small outline. Okay, then what's also very important, which is important, is in the text. Where is it? Text. You will do a battery double point 100%. Here, yeah. So you will see like this, battery 100%, yeah. And also it's very important, go to flashlight UI, search enabled, set this to false. Then inside of the script, we're gonna change some stuff. So this is all okay, yeah? Player tool, battery, I will put this in here actually. Local player, and I will also gonna do this using flashlight. I'll make the new locals here, local battery UI, which is game.players. So dot local player dot point find wait for child player GUI dot point wait for child. We'll just copy this name of this. I think it's control copy like this. Then also local battery text equals battery UI UI dot point wait for child. We're gonna change this to battery text, control copy, control V. Okay, then let's local function update battery UI like this. Battery text dot text equals to battery double point space dot mat dot round, because we're gonna round it off, battery, yeah. Then dot in this thing's percent. Boom, so it's gonna be battery space. It's gonna show the battery percentage, then with the percent sign on the end. If you don't want the percent sign, just remove this. Of course, this we will leave the same. Game run service function render stepped enabled false. This is good. This is also good. We were gonna remove the print function now because we don't need this anymore. And we're gonna put here update battery UI as well. Then tool. Actually, like now, when you test the game, everything should work normally if you decide to like enable this UI, and like you see this, like it goes down, goes back up, like you see it all the time. But if you only want the UI to show up if you equip your tool, then follow along. So of course, disable this, double enter, tool.equipped, double point connect function like this. And let's make another function tool.unequipped double point connect function like this, yeah. Then what we're gonna do is do battery UI dot enabled equals true, date battery UI like this, and then copy this like the first line you see here, paste it in here and set this to false. And then you can see it, you don't see it, you see it, like works like this, and it works perfectly fine. You see? Yeah. So again, how will the model look like? So I will show you how the model will look like in a second. So the model will look something like this. So you will have like a model named flashlight system. You open this, you will have two folders. My starter pack, you will see that this names color rates with like these things, starter GUI and then starter pack. What you just do is you open these two folders and you drag the starter GUI thing here inside of starter GUI and the flashlight into starter pack, because that's what I told here. And then when you test the game, everything should be working. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.